A very good afternoon to all the Vivites again. A very good afternoon, Mr. Vipin Chako. Nice to see you, Mr. Praveen Krasta, Mr. Raman, Vishnu, Abhimanyu. A very good morning, Mr. Rakshit, Mr. Manish Jain. So, a very good morning, Mr. Murali, Ms. Kanchan. A very good afternoon, a very good afternoon to Mr. Murali, Ms. Kanchan, Jyoti Rajesh Thakur, Balaraju. A very good afternoon to Priyesh. A very good afternoon to Vineet Vishwanath. A very good afternoon, Mr. Manish Jain, Mr. Rakshit. A very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching this continuous Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. As you all know that this is a wonderful Thursday and this is the Eye Glow Day. So I want you all to glow this day by the use of Eye Glow, my dear friends. Well, a very good afternoon to Mr. Pavan Kumar, Kishan Kumar, Ms. Nazeen Chechai, if I've spelled you correctly, Ms. Archana. A very good afternoon to Mr. Jaiprakash, Lakshmi Srinivas, Mr. Balaraju, Mr. Rathota Praveen, Mr. Sunil Mehra. A very good afternoon to Ms. Pinky Borgohain, Athota Praveen, Shehnaz Banu. A very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching this wonderful continuous broadcast of Facebook Live series brought to you by the Vibrant Viva Education System. So I hope you're all getting benefited by seeing this wonderful Facebook broadcast. I hope the product knowledge is improving day by day, and we also appreciate your questioning as well. We hope that your questions are getting answered as well, my dear friends. I would also like to tell you that you can also drop your questions in the Facebook Messenger of the Indus Viva or the Vibrant Viva page, wherein we will be able to answer your questions at a later stage. So don't worry if your questions were left unanswered last week. We will be answering the questions today of this Eye Glow and also with the other products as well, my dear friends, on the respective days. As the regular repetition what I do, I would always like to request you that if someone is not able to watch this broadcast, I would always suggest you to share this, host watch parties out of this on other social media platforms as well, so that everyone who is seeing this gets benefited by getting the knowledge about our wonderful, awesome wellness products, my dear friends. Well, my dear friends, today is the Eye Glow Day, as everyone knows. As a part of a routine, I want to tell you this. I will also be coming live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Exclusively for the product iWave in the United States. So if you have your networks in the United States or someone is watching from the US, I would always let you know that I'll be coming live every Friday night on Indus Viva INC Facebook page. If someone has not liked or subscribed to the page, please do it ASAP. Please do like and subscribe our Indus Viva INC Facebook page so that you can watch me live every Friday night at 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, which will be around about 11:30 a.m. in the United States of America, my dear friends. So thank you very much for watching this. We really appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook Live series, my dear friends. So as a routine, I would like to tell that. So I'll be talking a short topic on Eye Glow as well today, which is relevant to the current scenario of COVID-19. And I'll also be speaking about one of the important ingredients which is present in Eye Glow. So both of which can provide you a very good promotional tool for effective selling of this product in the market, scientifically as well as in a logical way, my dear friends. Well, with this, I would also like to tell you that please shoot me your questions right now until I end my short topic on Eye Glow. So once I finish that short topic, I will be able to take up your questions. So thank you very much for that. Please start shooting me your questions right now. So are you ready, my dear friends? So this is a wonderful session on Eye Glow again. As you all know that Eye Glow is first of its kind product in India, which conditions your beauty from inside and makes your skin glow outside. So this is not a cosmetic. This is called as an oral cosmetic or a nutri-cosmetic product. So these products are actually categorized as internal cosmetic products and has no relevance with applying them on the skin. I hope you got my point. Well, as you all know that people, especially in this COVID-19 period, one thing is for sure that it's a mandatory rule which is made by the governments to use the sanitizers, to use the gloves, the masks, the PPE kits, the corona warriors who are working in the fields. See, All these things are very much required, but at the same point of time your skin health also is very much the health of the skin is also very important, because skin is considered to be the largest organ of the human body. So that is the reason why you need to take care of your skin among all these difficulties of the coronavirus period. So we know that these things are mandatory, but at the same point of time always try to keep your skin healthy. And you can definitely keep your skin healthy if you are consuming eye glow on a regular basis, because once your gut is healthy, once your internal organs are healthy, once your blood is purified, automatically your skin will also be healthy, my dear friends. So instead of using a lot of hazardous chemicals of cosmetics that you have, cosmetics having these hazardous chemicals in fact, so such things can have a lot of side effects on your skin. But a product like eye glow can definitely condition your skin from inside, and automatically it can make your skin glow outside. This is what exactly is called as an internal cosmetic, my dear friends. See, we have a product which can cater to this wonderful derma or the skin segment. That is the reason why you need to promote this product during this particular corona zamana, as I call, during this corona zamana, because you need to tell this point to the people, stating that your skin is actually becoming bad day by day by the use of this chemical, alcohol, sanitizers. At the same point of time, you should also be able to educate them, stating that these things are very much required, as the government has laid the rules, which is very much important for protecting your body against the viruses. But at the same point of time, it is always important to protect your skin as well. So how do you protect your skin? It is not only by the application of the cosmetics, but it is by conditioning your body by the intake of oral cosmetics like eye glow. That is the reason why we normally call eye glow as a holistic health supplement. Holistic health supplement in the sense your skin is there from head till the toe. So if I am pointing out towards my face, it doesn't mean that eye glow is a product which is only used for face. No, eye glow is a product which can be used from head till the toe. It is called as a holistic health supplement product, my dear friends. So that is the reason why we call eye glow as a skin wellness product also. So you may use these terminologies whenever you are prospecting your distributors or customers, or the end user for that matter. So this is a very important thing that people have to understand. This is a skin wellness product. As I previously told you, all our Indus Viva products are frontline immune boosters. Your skin also requires a lot of immunity. Otherwise, the skin will also succumb to various kinds of diseases and disorders in future. That is the reason why your skin wellness has to be intact. The immunity of the skin has to be boosted. That is the main reason why your skin health has to be maintained. I hope you got my point clear. So, going ahead, my dear friends, it is always important that Nutri Cosmetics is a very important segment these days, where we are looking into the concept of beauty beneath and beyond the skin. This is a very important thing actually. Your beauty is not that which is seen on the skin. Your beauty is a thing which is actually seen beneath and beyond your skin. That is the reason why internal cosmetics play a very important role in conditioning the skin. This is what exactly is called as the Nutri Cosmetic. I hope you got my point clear. So, if someone is not able to hear me or see me properly, please put them in the comment. I hope you are able to hear me and see me properly. So some of them are stating that my volume is a bit low. I think my volume is absolutely intact as I see on the screen here. Please let me know if one or two can let me know if my voice and video are audible and visible to everyone. So please do let me know so that I will be able to rectify the problem. So I hope my voice and video are audible and visible to everyone. Okay, fine. So I have got some of the comments stating that yes sir, all good. Okay, so I hope that the voice and audio are clear right now. Okay, so as I told you, your beauty is always beneath and beyond the skin. It is not the beauty which is actually seen directly on your face or on your body as such. So whenever your internal organs are intact, whenever your blood is purified, it is always important your beauty. So the next important thing that has to be considered here is very important things stating about the regulatory aspects. It is always important to know that the Drug and the Cosmetic Act is one thing which regulates all these products. The Drug and the Cosmetic Act is as per the Government of India, the Department of Ayush, gives this Drug and Cosmetic Act, which states that there are products which are belonging to the group of Ayush, the segment. So they are called as Saundarya Prasadak, which exactly means that they are topical cosmetic products. So Saundarya Prasadak is nothing but the topical cosmetic products, which is exactly categorized under the segment of 169. I'm also trying to tell you what the regulatory aspect of this particular product is. These are categorized under the Drugs and the Cosmetic Act under the section 169, where it talks about the Saundarya Prasadak, which means in Hindi it means it is the topical cosmetic products. That is what is exactly called as Saundarya Prasadak, and this is actually categorized under the regulatory aspect of the Drug and Cosmetic Act. I hope you got my point clear. So, as you all know that Eye Glow is a product which is acting beneath and beyond your skin, and it is the one which is responsible for undeniable beauty. Whenever you see the tagline of this particular product, we always call this as undeniable beauty, which means that the beauty which cannot be denied. So this is what is exactly called as beauty. It is not someone who is looking good, okay, looking beautiful or gorgeous for that matter. It is the beauty of your body inside. That is what is exactly called as Eye Glow, my dear friends. So going ahead, as you all know that people are prone to daily skin health issues. Especially it includes dull and lifeless complexion. It includes the blemishes. It includes the dark spots. It includes the whiteheads as well as the blackheads as well. So these are some of the general health things that people are actually looking into. So this is where, so not only even this, even the presence of acne or pimples, drying of the skin. See, this is one thing that I wanted to emphasize everybody. Whenever your skin is dry, the skin is prone to a lot of problems. But whenever your skin is having a lot of moisture or when it is oily in nature, it is always good actually. So in fact, a lot of sebum which is secreted out of the skin is very important for protecting your skin actually. So that is the reason why your skin has to be hydrated or moist all the time. It should not turn dry. Whenever your skin turns dry, it is always difficult situation where lots of skin issues like flaking, itching on the skin, bleeding on the skin, all such things can happen, my dear friends. And all these problems, if you don't tackle this on a daily basis, this can lead to premature aging. This can absolutely lead to premature aging, leading to the loss of skin firmness and resilience. See, firmness in the sense your elasticity of the skin reduces. This is one important point. Whenever your elasticity of the skin reduces, your skin becomes saggy or loose. It becomes very loose-like. So, whenever you have a lot of collagen in your skin, automatically your skin becomes tight. This is what exactly is the meaning of firmness of the skin. So, whenever you are consuming Eye Glow on a regular basis, your firmness of the skin is always maintained, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, along with this, as you all know that skin contains the Eye Glow contains a wonderful ingredient called as saffron. Saffron is one of the best ingredients which is sourced from the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley in India, where it is considered to be the best quality saffron available on this planet. And you must also be knowing this, the government of India has given a geographical indication tag. It is called as a GI tag. The geographical indication tag is normally given to a very expensive ingredient which is having the 100% best of the best quality that we are sourcing from the Valley of Kashmir, and we are using this particular saffron in our product in the form of an extract as well as the threads of saffron. So suppose if you are able to drink this Eye Glow, you will be finding the threads of saffron. At the same point of time, you will be finding the extract of saffron as well. I hope you got my point clear. So along with saffron, our product also contains natural plant collagen. As I told you, collagen is very important for tightening your skin. Whenever your skin loses the elasticity, loses the firmness, collagen is always important to tighten your skin. So the next thing is the grapeseed extract, which is very important for maintaining the hydration of the skin or moisturization of the skin. You also have kojic acid, which is important for protecting your skin from sun damage. You also have licorice extract in this. Licorice in the sense, in Hindi we call this as mulethi. In Tamil we call it as atimaduram. In Kannada we call it as jeshtamadu. So these are some of the vernacular names if I have to tell you. So this licorice extract is very important for reducing the black spots or it brings about the skin lightening benefits. This is very important. So the next thing is it also contains the lutein extract, which is sourced from the natural marigold flowers, also important for skin hydration. It also has the natural CoQ10, the coenzyme Q10, which is also important for improving the energy of your skin. Normally your body might look a very powerful body, a 6-pack body or a 8-pack body. So nowadays we just have a family pack body actually. So because of sitting back at homes, because of this lockdown situation. Well, as I tell you, see, normally your body might be fit, but your skin might not be fit. That is the main reason why the energy of your skin is always important to be improved. That is the reason why the skin energy plays a very important role along with your body energy. That is the reason why CoQ10 plays a very important role in improving the energy of your skin, my dear friends. So, as I told you, the Corona Zamana is a time when you have to protect your skin from all kinds of problems actually. See, nowadays the articles, the research publications very recently, they are also of the opinion that the later symptoms of this COVID-19 also has skin problems. So it might be the presence of dermatitis, it might be the presence of itching on the skin, the urticarial rashes on the skin. All these things can happen because of extensive use of this protective gears. We normally use a lot of protective gears like the masks, the gloves, the PPEs, the sanitizers. All these things can cause a lot of hazardous effect on your skin because these contain a lot of chemical components. That is the main reason why you need to protect your skin so far as this particular Corona Zamana is concerned. So that is the reason why regular intake of eye glow is very important for protecting the holistic health of your skin, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. There are several articles which are coming up from the country of China where they are also telling that, I mean, I don't know the truth of these articles actually, but these are appearing on the blogs day by day. The recent blogs also are talking about it. Like most of the people who have been affected with COVID in the Chinese country, probably their skin has turned a bit darker at the end stages actually. These are some of the things which the articles are actually talking about, but we don't know the relevance and the scientific basis behind this. But these are the secondary conditions of a pandemic like COVID-19 that can be seen in the human body as well, my dear friends. So going ahead, as I told you, because the secondary symptoms are now being spoken of, the dermatologists or the skin specialists are actually coming into the picture now. They are of the opinion that they are seeing a lot of skin rashes these days, inflammation below the eyes, peeling of your skin. This is a very important thing which is actually seen, and nearly 20% of the patients who have developed this COVID symptoms also had, among the 100%, if you see, the 20% of the patients who had developed the positive also had the skin reactions. This is what the dermatologists as well as some of the publications are actually speaking about, my dear friends. So I hope you have got the relevance of the skin problems along with this COVID-19. So as I told you, even the masks that we are wearing has a lot of synthetic components in this. Because of the synthetic components, what is exactly happening? Your sweat is actually trapped in between the mask and your skin, and that is also causing a lot of contact dermatitis, itching on the skin as well as rashes on the skin, especially on your jaw, your cheeks and such chin and such other areas on the face. See, I again tell you, these things are very mandatory for us to use. The protective gears are certainly mandatory for us to use. But at the same point of time, taking care of your skin is also very important, my dear friends. That is the main reason why all of you have to use this wonderful product, Eye Glow. I hope you got the point about this. So, as I told you, even the harmful effect of the gloves that we are wearing. So gloves usually have the nitrile gloves, the latex gloves, whatever kind of gloves we are wearing also, gloves we are wearing, it also has a lot of wrinkling which is happening on your skin. The water is getting trapped between the gloves and your skin. That is also causing a lot of wrinkle problems on your skin. See, even the sanitizers that we are using are mainly containing alcohol. It might be an ethyl alcohol or rectified spirit or isopropyl alcohol, whatever it is. All these kinds of alcohol will mainly cause the dryness of the skin. As I've told you previously, skin dryness is a very dangerous condition as compared to oily skin. That is the reason why regular consumption of Eye Glow can definitely protect your skin and can provide you a holistic skin support so that you will not be able to suffer from all kinds of dreadful skin diseases in the future, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So, as I've told you, the other important thing that I want to talk to you today is probably when you look into the box or the packaging of Eye Glow, there is actually a composition there. In that composition, you actually see one of the plants, one of the ingredients that has been used that most of you might not have noticed. If someone has not noticed this, please have a look at it again. We also have papaya extract in iGlow. So I'll be talking about some of the other ingredients which are present in iGlow in the next Facebook Live as well, so that you will be getting some promotional points for marketing this wonderful product as well. As you all know, my dear friends, please have a look at the packaging once. There is something called as Carica papaya written on the back of the pack. See, it is nothing but the papaya which is actually used in the product. See, some people usually know this. Papaya is a very important fruit, especially for your skin health. With the same hypothesis, we have used this wonderful papaya extract also in our product iGlow. So papaya is the one which actually treats your skin pigmentation. It is a very good moisturization of the skin, especially the dry skin conditions can be cleared by the use of papaya. It also treats a wide variety of skin diseases also. It heals your scars as well as various skin diseases, and it exfoliates the old, the dead skin cells. Otherwise, we call it as the debris. All such things can be tackled with the help of this particular papaya extract, my dear friends. Why I am telling you about this particular papaya is, papaya fruit, everybody might have seen this. This mainly contains the enzyme called as the papain. Papaya contains an enzyme called as papain. We call this as a proteolytic enzyme. This particular enzyme, normally it does the exfoliation activity on your skin. Your skin needs to be exfoliated now and then, because our skin cells are also subjected to the birth and death. Normally your skin cells also become old day by day. It is always important to get rid of those debris so that the new cells can be originated there, so that your skin becomes young day by day. This is a whole hypothesis. This is what is exactly seen in our product iGlow, my dear friends, because of the presence of this papaya. I hope you got my point. This is also one important thing. And again, papaya is a very important thing for enhancing your immunity as well. As I've been telling all the time, that all our products are frontline immune boosters. Similarly, papaya in this particular iGlow is also considered to be a very good immune booster ingredient as well. Apart from this, it also has a lot of antimicrobial or antibacterial benefits also. That is the reason why iGlow is called as a holistic health product which encompasses all these ingredients, my dear friends. I hope my points are clear. So finally, to talk about this wonderful product, iGlow is a very good product which brings about skin lightening. It is a very good anti-aging supplement, anti-wrinkle product. It moisturizes your skin. It reduces your dark spots. It reduces your blemishes. It also gives you a radiant complexion. It prevents the skin damage. It produces an overall skin rejuvenation. It causes liver detoxification, and ultimately it purifies your blood so that you will not be able to have any kind of dreadful skin diseases in future, my dear friends. As you all know, but I would like to repeat this again until I end this short topic with this particular thing. iGlow should be taken once in the morning, 15 minutes after breakfast, and once in the night, 15 minutes after dinner. So this is very important. iGlow should be taken after your food always, not before the food. I hope you got my point clear. So with this, I would like to end my short topic on this wonderful product called as iGlow. As I've told, I've given you two important promotional tips today. One is the relevance of this particular skin supplement, a wellness skin supplement during the COVID-19 period. And the second thing is I've spoken about the wonderful concept of papaya, which is present in this iGlow. So how exactly these promotional tips can be used. I hope you got my point clear. So with this, I would like to end this short topic. So now it is a question answer session. So I would like to take up the questions which were asked last week before I take up the questions of this week. The last week's questions, if I have to see this. So the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Tuan. Is it okay to take with any foods? Absolutely fine. iGlow can be used along with any kind of diet or the food. So Mr. Sanjay is asking, so all ages can iGlow be used in all ages? I'd like to tell you that iGlow can be used above 3 years of age till 100 years. This is what the age group is. It is always better not to give iGlow below 3 years of age. I hope you got my point. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Miss Ainla Lima. So the next question that I am seeing here is 1 minute, just a moment. I am just getting the questions from my teammates. Well, okay, let me start the questions now. So the first, okay, I've got the questions now. So thanks very much. My colleague Sangeeta is sending me the questions. The first question that I'm seeing here is on the face. We have a black color dot, and even on the body, can eye glow help? Very important question again. As I've told you, eye glow is a holistic health supplement. If I'm trying to point out my face, it doesn't mean that the product is working only on my face. It is a holistic health support. That is the main reason why it has to be used across your body. So that is how the whole product is. It can definitely be used on a black spot which is there on the skin, my dear friends. So the next question that I am seeing here is for chronic urticaria along with eye pulse glow, it can be suggested. Absolutely, the answer lies in your own question. In case of chronic urticaria, urticaria is a condition where your histamines in the blood will increase, because of which your itching increases. You will be scratching your skin, your itching increases. That is the reason why you can give a very good combination of eye pulse as well as eye glow in this condition, my dear friend. I hope my answer is okay for you. The next question that I am seeing here is, I have brown spots all over the skin. Can eye glow solve this problem? So one thing I want to tell you here, eye glow is a wonderful product in case of impaired pigmentation on the skin. It might be different kinds of pigmentation. Either it is hyperpigmentation or hypopigmentation for that matter. Definitely you can use eye glow in this product, my dear friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is, does eye glow help in sunburn and dark patches caused by sun? This is very important. Does eye glow help in sunburn and dark patches caused by sun? I want to tell you one thing here. This is not a product which is for removing the tan. This is not a tan removing product, but this is a product which can help on your pigmentation problems. Even because of the sun damage, the pigmentation happens on the body. That is the reason why you can definitely consider eye glow in this particular situation. Please, you can start with eye glow. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am saying here is eye glow good for the warts which are present on the body? Absolutely no. Why I am telling you this is, wart is a viral disease. Warts, if someone doesn't know what warts are small kinds of eruptions which are seen on the skin. They are not pimples. They are called as outgrowths. So wart is an outgrowth. You can actually feel and touch the wart. But these warts are viral diseases, and these warts are not any dangerous conditions in the body. You don't have to worry about a wart. But eye glow is not a product which is recommended for warts. I hope you got my point clear, my friend. So the next question that I am seeing here is, eye glow good for seborrheic dermatitis? Well, as I told you, it is a holistic health supplement. Even on the scalp of your hair, wherever below the hair, the skin is also there. That is where the seborrheic dermatitis usually happen. Seborrheic dermatitis, in other words, is also called as dandruff. It is also a kind of a dandruff. Definitely, what I am trying to tell you here is, whenever you try to condition your skin, always the problems like the dandruff or dermatitis can reduce. That is the reason why you can definitely use this product in case of seborrheic dermatitis. So the next question, the last question of the day that I am taking here, can a lactating mother use eye glow? Yes, absolutely yes. The lactating mothers, lactating in the sense the breastfeeding mothers, can use eye glow after the first month of childbirth. So after the first month of the childbirth, some second month onwards, the breastfeeding mothers can use this wonderful product, eye glow, but not during the first month after childbirth. I hope you got my point clear. Anybody can use one in the morning and one in the night. 15 minutes after your breakfast and 15 minutes after your dinner is always okay. I hope you got my points clear. So these were the questions of the day. So don't worry, friends, if your questions are left unanswered, I'll be able to take up your questions the next Thursday afternoon, where I'll be talking about another concept of eye glow along with your unanswered questions. So do not worry about your unanswered questions. You can also post your questions on the messenger of our Indus Viva or Vibrant Viva page. We will be able to answer. I hope you got my point clear. So thank you very much, Vivites, for your patient watching. I'll come back tomorrow along with one of the important products of Indus Viva. So let us have a discussion again. So don't worry if your questions are unanswered. As I've promised you, we'll be able to answer all of your questions. None of your questions will go in vain, my dear friends. So thank you so much for your patient watching. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.